Today, we are here at one of our customers, a job we just finished a week ago. We are in the crawl space. In this particular case, the customer called Reno-Assistance because he was selling his co-property. There was an inspection made by the future owner, and they detected mold on the wood, on the construction materials. At first, when we arrived, many debris on the floor. The mold was very present. Obviously, the multiple debris had to be removed. There was a window downstairs which enabled us to install the negative air pressure. So we clean the window and then we install the tubes so that we can send the air outside the building in order not to send the mold in the other apartments. As you can see, it's not equal. The customer did not want the whole excavation work. So what we have to do is that we have to round off certain edges so that the vapor barrier can be easily installed onto the ground. And after that, we install a membrane which will protect the vapor barrier from rock to prevent any holes. So obviously afterwards we install that vapor barrier, which is sealed on the surrounding walls and on the cement bases. So it has to be perfectly sealed in order not to let the humidity penetrate the building. The reason why we're here at first, this is it. You don't want the humidity getting into the building. It's the cause of all the mold problems. After that, we sand the woods. We have to vacuum down each centimeter of the area. We work with Reno-Assistance because of the seriousness of the business. Reno-Assistance does verify the contractors. Does verify everything that a customer does not have access to. We really do feel that we help people, we help their health, and we help the building's health.